Happy Sunday, everybody. It's time to code. Okay. I need some music. Maybe that. But I'm thinking actually maybe we go with the old Mystical Ninja OST. It's in the middle of it. Good. Alright. Probably didn't just start right at the beginning, but hey, whatever. That's a little bit loud, so we're gonna turn it down. There's literally no sound in my game right now, so let's turn that down just a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So, this is... I probably should have pulled the game up because it looks like nothing right here. But this is that online game I was working on a little while ago. And we got this far in it, basically. We got first-person perspective. That's not the end goal here. I want to make it third-person, but it's really simple to set up a first-person like movement thing. You put some bombs down, up to 3 at a time. Bada bing, bada boom. But yeah, so tonight what I would like to do is turn this into like an actual game. Or not an actual game, but rather a make it so there's actually like you can play a match. Oh, hold on a second. Sorry to hide my screen so soon. I don't know where this is gonna show up. Just need to make sure this is right. Okay, that's fine. Bloop. Oh, well, we're gonna call this Goon Blast for now. I'll come up with a better name later. I need a, I guess I could hit build and run, and that would also get the job done. But I need 2 copies running to play the multiplayer here. Just to I mean, I guess we'll be rebuilding it in a minute anyhow, but, you know. Boop. Okay, there's me window. Over here. And if I launch this, it works just fine. Why the hell not? Yes. Let me in. Boom. Create a room over here. And then going back to here, we can find said room. What does it do if 2 people have the same name? Oh, it's just totally fine. Nice. But yeah, then we can see. Boom, there's 2 people here. But right now the bomb does nothing. Really, I guess there's not a ton to be done here, other than just like... But I want to get the structure down for like having a match begin and end, and then I guess kick you back to the lobby is what we'll do. I don't know, you know, one thing to test actually, I don't know if there's anything that like crazy happens if you like... Holy crap. Soundtrack goes off like right away. Like, I don't know, I don't think there'll be any issues. Here, let's go ahead and we'll just make like a quit script or something, I guess. Or we'll add it to our one thing, I guess. Gameplay, player controller, probably this guy. What is laying bombs right now? It's this, okay. Oh. So, just as a random test, let me see if there's any issues with this. I need to revamp this at some point to the new input system. Honestly, that won't be too hard, though, with the way I'm coding this, because I have these all segmented off into their own sections. It'd probably just be a very light alteration to the logic here. Probably just removing this get key down and then invoking these not from the update method, but rather having them be like callouts. So I guess I'd change them to public, but that's whatever. We'll just use escape, because why the hell not? And I think I need to use... Okay, yeah, we'll want to leave room. What does become inactive? This client becomes inactive in the room when player TTL is less than 0, defaults to true. What happens if we just call this? I think that'll just disconnect us basically from... Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Okay, so that took our player out, which is good. I think, yeah. But it didn't locate us back, so I guess from there we just want to go back to the main... So we already have something changing scenes at some point in here. Oh, that's not what it is. It's, I don't know if we're using the scene manager, though. That might be something else. Oh, yeah, so we have this photon handler script. Right. No, I guess it is just straight up, Oh, that's in the photon network code. That's not mine. Yeah, not their stuff. Just my stuff. Oh, okay, so this is just watching the overall thing, and then if it's the game, spawn a player in for each person that joins, right? Okay, yeah. That makes sense. That's the only scene-related thing that we call? There's no way. Oh, right, if we change the level differently, then that would make sense. Yeah. Oh, so this will, like, destroy the other. I forget if I set this up or if it was the example I was using, but that's interesting. Let me go back to my menu code and see. I forget what that thing's called, though. Yeah, main menu. Launcher, probably, I guess. Yeah, so this is what I was worried about. I have a lot of, like, singletons in, like, the startup here, so it's gonna, like, redo all of those. I almost want, like, a... if this doesn't just work, I'm gonna probably make, like, a third scene, and then that'll be the first thing you load into, and then that goes to the main menu, and then from the game, we can just exit you back to the main menu. We don't need to worry about all this nonsense. That might just be better to do all overall. I still need to figure out how I'm changing scenes, though. Automatically sync scene. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right, so that only gives the button to the person that's the host of the room. Oh, that's different. XD. Where the hell is the start game? There we go. Photon network dot load level. Okay. So I think here, because we like left the room, it might be safe to just use the scene manager, but I'm not gonna risk it. Let's go ahead and just call this in our player controller. Uh... Perfect. I don't know why I was such a meme lord when I wrote the comments in this thing. Anyway. We had a hilarious amount of, like, bugs we had to squash in Straylight because the scene indexes don't line up across our different ports. So it's like whack-a-mole. We'd fix it on one thing and then it would break in another target. Okay. So this, I think this will still work, but we're gonna get a bunch of warnings. Yo, ZD, what's up? Oh, it did not like that. Okay. Alright, plan B. We're gonna make a new scene. And that's gonna, like, initialize all these singletons that we have that travel with us throughout all the scenes in the game. Let's finish building my new computer. Nice, good luck. I hope it goes better than mine. I still gotta do something for that. I was gonna tackle that this weekend, but my car also started having trouble, so I'm just so fucking happy with everything happening right now. It just turns off randomly. I've swapped the graphics card, I've mem tested both sticks of RAM individually, together, there's no problems found on any of them. I've checked heating, it's not overheating at all. I reapplied thermal paste on my CPU anyway. All the fans are running, it's cold in there, and I've measured it and it's cold in there. What else? What else is there to test? I feel like I've tested more than that. I've spent so much time on this. It's been broken since December because it's some random ass thing. So the last thing I'm going to do is replace the power supply. It seems wacky that it would break the way it's breaking with the faulty power supply, but at this point I've checked everything else in the computer, so unless it's just the motherboard just randomly broke, which would also really suck. But yeah, it seems to be related to, like, when it draws a certain amount of power. Because, although, not really, though, because I streamed VR games on it for, like, 2.5 hours, and then it crashed while I was playing Donkey Kong Country afterwards. So, I don't know. Just an old one, similar, replace the component by component. Yeah. I mean, luckily, I didn't, like, buy a new graphics card. I just swapped the one and the one I have now, which is 1080 Ti. And the one in the new one, which is 3080, and I was like pissed because it started working like for a while after that, and that's when I streamed, was on my 1080 in the new computer. And I was like, oh fuck, of course the most expensive thing in the goddamn thing broke. But then it turned out that wasn't the issue because it eventually crashed. But there's less of a power draw in the 1080 versus the 3080, so maybe I think it's something faulty with the power supply. Like, it's just gets overwhelmed or something over time, because it does seem to happen like over time. Basically, I could be doing like nothing on my computer and like be watching like Twitch or whatever, and it would be like fine, and then it will eventually just crash as the day goes on. Yeah, I've cleaned everything in there. There wasn't really much to clean to begin with, but yeah, I've also cleaned everything, including the power supply fan. Yeah, it's pretty wacky. Yeah, I do too. It's a pretty pricey PC, and it's very annoying that it's not currently working. Luckily, my other PC is not bad, so it's like, there's not really anything I can't do with it. I know I can stream Straylight off of it. I've tested that pretty thoroughly. I don't know if I can stream some of the higher powered VR games I want to stream soon. Like, I don't know if Alex will bring my PC to its knees when I try to stream it and play it simultaneously. That sucks. Because of the board? Does your board not support the higher, not refresh rate, goddamn it, what do you call it on RAM? Speed, there we go. It's just speed. Okay, so we're gonna We'll call this startup. Don't understand why, because it's expensive board. It might be, but it might be because of that, possibly. Okay, so what we need to do is move a lot of stuff from the main menu. I hate that this is called Connect. Let's call this main menu. Fuck that. Oh, right. I kind of cheaped out on my RAM, but that's... I don't... Even still, I don't think that's the bottleneck in my new PC. Actually, I don't know where the bottleneck is, because I... got an i9, got the 3080 Ti, then I've got 64 gigs of RAM. I think that they're at 4800, but I... Hold on, I actually have my specs, like, right below me. I can tell you whether it is or not. Except I can't see that tab on the dashboard. Sorry, we're on the PC build tangent now, but sorry, we're on no, shut up, Goon. There we go. There's my PC build. It's under the About Me section if anyone else is looking. God damn it! Come back. Oh no, that's they're 3200. What did I say? Oh yeah, no, they're not even 40. No, that probably is my bottleneck then, I guess. Yeah, that's fair. RAM's like the easiest thing to swap out too, so you know, it's not like both physically and just support-wise. Especially if you're getting faster stuff, like it's probably worth like generally you don't really need 64 gigs of RAM, but you know. Chrome user detected. No. Fuck. Alright. Back on track here. So we don't need this canvas. I think we just need the room manager, basically. Wait, what the hell stays with us once I start up? Claims to run up to 8. That sucks. That sucks that it's not working for you. Sorry, man. Okay, photon mono... Ah, okay, that gets generated... Ah, crap. The room manager might do that, because it's got the photon view on it. I'm not really sure. Forgot about this song. Ooh. Sorry, I'm kind of deconstructing how this... They're not deconstructing. I'm remembering how this all works because it's been a while since I set this up. Okay, so in this room, if I just start with this stuff, will that have the same stuff I... Yes, good. That's good. Yeah, I mean, that ought to do it. God, PSUs are so fucking power hungry. I thought my 850 was ridiculous, but... Also, it's not like I'm running up against the edge of like how much power my PSU supports, because it estimated it said it probably would take about 730, yeah. And I have an 850, so... I don't fucking know. I just think it's gone bad, honestly. Because it was working fine for like 6 months, which is the other kick in the dick, because everything's out of warranty now. Like, I can't return anything. Anyway. You know. Sometimes it be like that. Hold on a second. I guess that can be one. Whatever, man. How did I get it to the different value on the other screen? Maybe if I set it like blank, it'll go there? Alright. Oh no, it's probably smart. It just knows, like, hey, don't set this. Oh yeah, it's probably a property on this thing. Okay. Man, you know, people often say, oh my god, that's not my code. There's not a lot of N64 games that have like great soundtracks, which I guess the claim that there's not a lot of them, maybe that's true. But fuck, there's some gems in there though, like this game. Oh yeah, I don't know if I'll stream this because it's probably just gonna be a big nothing burger, but fucking bought a humble bundle that has audio or like music creation tools on it. Forget all what was in there. Might be funny to make a couple stupid little loops though. Similar to my previous like art things on stream. If you think my art's bad, just wait till you see my musical skills. Alright, we need another script. That's what I was doing. That... whatever. I've named it. I'll rename it later when it bites me. Pardon me. Crap, I just wrote this code. What is it? Oh, there we go. Little double. Ah. There we go. Oh, does this need to be a special class? I can't remember. No, it's just model behavior. Okay, there are certain like other classes to extend from related to this So Photon Network's a third-party like online resource syncing like multiplayer game framework basically. That's how this game works currently. This is why I set my enum values explicitly, so I can switch them around like this. Now, I need to actually update my build order so that we have this scene in the game. Oh, actually I need to finish making this scene. I guess it doesn't matter what order I do that in. Whatever. There. Ta-da, I've done it. Now let's see how badly this breaks. Oh, I need to take the other thing out of the other scene. So start at startup. That should auto redirect us into the main menu as soon as we start up, and then that'll have... Startup will just have all of the singletons that we need, so we never need to worry about clashing with it when we go back to the scene later. I might do that for Goon's House of Doom, because right now there's like a stupid loop problem with some of the stuff that gets set up and is supposed to carry across but doesn't reset itself properly. That's probably just a smarter way to do this overall. Fun fact, Straylight does not have a scene like that. Well, it does on PlayStation, but you didn't hear that from me. Right, scenes. Go back to main menu. Room manager. Inamari. Alright. Now. The fuck just happened? Okay. I think we're good. That was weird the way that happened, but... The lighting change? BIOS update, I'm gonna see if it fixes my RAM. Good luck! I love the way that just like physics bounces. I might want to change it so you can't, like, platform off your bombs, or maybe that's the meta and it's funny. You know what would be, like, perfect, though, is to, like, actually just full-on steal from Bomberman in that respect, and, bounce off it when you actually jump on a bomb. So you, like, kind of lose control, but you can do it, technically. I feel like that wasn't the color that always was, but I did also, like, add a scene that's in a different color, so I don't know. Oh, wait! I actually have Ow, I've Been Hit. Oh, it's already detecting when you get hit. Okay, cool. Nice. Really quick, I want to build... I don't know where this build is going. Oh, Control B is build and run, isn't it? Oh, that's fine. That still gets it done. Behold, there are two of us. Okay, that's maybe not right, because it said, ow, I've been hit. Maybe I was hit, I don't know. Let's check it again. Oh. Alright. We've been hit 4 times, according to this. No, it logs it regardless. Oh, wait, but I'm not checking is me or whatever. Oh, well, there you go. Here's exactly what that is. I don't think I care about collisions that happen on things that aren't me, so... Shit. There's gotta be something in here for, like, handle is me. Maybe it's elsewhere? Oh, there it is. I don't think we need this, because that's what we needed for that. Cooldown on how rapidly they can get hit. I think we have that. Hold on. Let's see how many times you get hit by this one explosion. Twice. Interesting. That's a weirder answer than, like, once or, like, 60 times. I guess it's because it's growing. So I guess we do still need that cooldown then. Okay, well, that's fine. Yeah, let's handle the player being hit. I need to figure out how to manage, like, the game is over condition, basically. I guess... Hold on. So not in here, but there's, like, the player... manager or something? Yeah, the player manager. This is what I'm looking for. So this, we shouldn't destroy this. I forget, it's like a separate thing altogether anyway, so I don't think it will matter. Like if I just do destroy self, it won't get rid of this separate object, which is good. So I want that to be around to handle other stuff. Yeah, the player controller is its own thing. Like, entirely. That's good. Yeah, so we could actually just get the number of players in the scene, and then I guess client side just check like if the game's over, if there's only one left, and yeah, and then we just check if the last person left is you. I guess I don't know how to do that. Yeah. I think I just figured it out though. Hold on. Because, okay, photon view is private. That's fine. We can leave it private. But, let's make a public method is me. And then we just return is me. So that's the start. And then make an update method real quick. Start with completely ignore this if it's not us. But if it is us, we'll call it this instead. Well, that's no good, actually. I was gonna do this where we basically just find the other instances of the script and then how many ever there are. That sucks though. That sucks for a couple reasons, actually. We should just have a dead flag in the controller. Dead lol. No meme variable names. And then in the player manager, oh man, we'll probably want to update the list if we get a new player joined. That's okay though. Well, wait, no, I don't think we're gonna have that. Like, there won't be, like, new players joining or something. Just a little pie in the sky hopeful thought that we'll eventually have some co-op mode in addition to like what we got now. Who pinged me in my shit posting channel? How dare you? Anyway, excuse me, it's a clone now? It's always been a clone. No, I want to make this my own thing, but I have a base work. Like, it's the thing, right? I'm kind of my whole jumping off. Well, my goal with this whole project is to like get a good grasp of like this photon network framework, like, and just figure out like online game coding, basically. Now it's locked into like this particular technology, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of carryover to other frameworks. I don't know if this is supported on Unreal, but I would be shocked if I learned that there was not some equivalent on Unreal. I'm Unreal. Aw, G. Where the fuck was the kendo scream? It happened. Maybe I talked over it. Maybe it's too quiet right now. Also, my stream just lagged, so maybe it blipped out while that happened. Oops. Sorry. Here, let me do another one for you. There's a freebie. Someone else just pinged me. Well, that's why I never complain about getting pinged. Never mind, there's a cooldown. I can't... Oh, no. I can't do it. This is a cooldown. You know what's funny? The ping that I got was not even a meme ping. It was a thank you for something I did 6 hours ago. Yeah, no, the kendo definitely worked. It just... I might have talked over it, or my stream might have, like, lagged while it happened. I'll give you another one. Wow, my internet is really taking a hard shit right now. What the fuck? Hopefully it gets better. Well... regardless. Oh, I forgot to do the thing up here. Your audio is just that much louder. I did turn my, like, audio capture down from my computer because the soundtrack was pretty loud. I'll bump it a little bit. The songs have gotten quieter, so... They've gotten a lot quieter, actually. Hey Goon, you're alright. Well, thanks. You're alright too, D314. 27 seconds and I can do the kendo scream. Don't excuse your ass. Oh wait, shit. Hold on. That ain't right. Oh god. This sucks. Alright. Alright, hold on. We're gonna need to do some jank. Pardon me. You know what? Actually, we're gonna do this. If there's only like one player, we'll just let it run. Because I think that makes more sense, honestly, in a weird way. I need to initialize those players, though. And we can't do it in the start, because then that'll be a weird race condition of everyone else getting, like, set up. Are we at the end of this? Oh, we're not even halfway through the soundtrack. My gosh, we're a fourth the way through it. We just reached the seagull song. Oh, snap! Hey, Ninja. Thanks for the raid there. I almost hit slash raid, I meant to do slash shout out. Welcome on in, everybody. Go check Ninja out. It's been playing Days Gone, it looks like. Hey, what's up, gamer girl? How you doing? we all playing Days... Wait, Days Gone's not multiplayer. Was Ninja, were you playing Days Gone? Or did I read this thing backwards here? Were you playing Spirit Father? It's one of those two. Or your category was wrong. Or I can't read this at all. He was playing, I was watching. Fair enough. Right on. Welcome in. We're making a clone of the old N64 era of Bomberman games. Kind of, sort of. And my internet's also taking a giant crap right now, so pardon if there's any lag. Finished it all? Nice. I was gonna say, I saw you go live like only in, I guess that was 2 hours ago. I was like, damn, short stream. Yeah, and I'm currently getting really distracted by my own self. Don't worry, the raid had no impact on that one way or the other. But thanks again for the raid. It was Days Gone, gotcha. This also might not be a thing where like we have to worry about players joining mid-game. So we're working on an online multiplayer game right now, and I'm basically just trying to get the framework down of how to do this stuff for when I actually make something real out of like some sort of multiplayer technology. The days are gone because I beat them. Nice. How was that game? I have heard so many like divisive things about it. it's someone gave it like a really low review, and then everyone was shitting on that reviewer. But then I also heard it wasn't that great anyway. It's got to wrap up the after game shit. Nice. No, objects of type. Multiple. Thank you. Alright, so that'll get us the list of players. This might also have some weird... No, wait, all of the starts should run before the update. Oh, but then we have, like, web stuff to worry about. Oh, this might not work, but let's test it, I guess. I don't know. Honestly. So did I. Fair enough. But I actually liked it. Oh, that's cool. I have a couple new games I want to play. Well, some of them are new, some of them are just games I wasn't aware of until like the last 48 hours or so. I don't know if they'll be good stream games. We'll see how you guys enjoy them or don't. Will this be mad? Hold on. Yeah, okay, it doesn't like that. We have to set it to the default. So we'll assume that the current player is not alive until we see that a player instance, who is me, is alive. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it looks alright. I've kind of... Man, I don't know. Maybe I'm getting old and curmudgeon-y, but I've kind of fallen into a state where I just don't really like open world games anymore. I played, I played, Ghostwire Tokyo, not too long ago. I think that was maybe... that probably was a little while ago, maybe in August or so. And I don't really have any, like, beef with the game, but I didn't really like it that much, honestly. So I don't know. Oh, we are dropping mad frames right now. Sorry, Ninja, you picked the wrong night to stream. I don't know what is going on. Oh, hold on, there's a fucking wire wrapped around my receiver. That might have something to do with something. I don't know how that happened. There we go. I didn't really, though, to be fair, I haven't, like, moved anything over there in the last 24 hours, and I streamed yesterday with no issue, so I'm gonna blame my ISP here. That was kind of funny how I fixed my one internet issue with, just elevating where my wireless receiver was. I tried drilling through my floors to actually route cable down here, but it wasn't happening. There's this ridiculously wide gap between the ceiling of my second floor, or sorry, the ceiling of my first floor and the floor of my second floor, so I can't just like drill straight down through it. Even with my biggest drill bit, it's no good. I also dropped a drill bit in that space between and I can't get it out, but whatever, it's fine. I even bought like one of those like circular magnets off of like undisclosed store here, tied it to a string and like dropped it in, and I picked it up, but I can't, it's like a crane game, I can't get it aligned to go back through the hole. It's a whole other situation now. I think that helped. Yeah, I don't know how those wires got all tangled up there, but hopefully that'll stabilize the stream. I don't think I would have done anything since last night's stream that would have caused that to happen, because that's over there in the corner. Hey, what's up, Zen? How you doing? Yeah, exactly, like, it's not like I lost a ton of money from losing one drill bit. It's not like the whole drill fell down there. Should be pretty impressive if so. BIOS upgrade didn't fix it, bummer. I personally, at this point, would just start suing people. No, I'm kidding. How are you? I'm doing alright. It has been a crazy week. Car broke down, some other personal stuff that I'm not going to go over right now. Plus, just, there's still, like, a lot of work to be done on my game, even though it's out. Not just, like, technical work, though there is some of that. But just, you know, it's spreading stuff on social media. It's all the stuff that I'm horrible at. To at least try and make a profit out of this thing. Very busy. But at least I carved some time out to stream. What the hell was I doing? Oh yeah, we have to end the game now. Okay, so if you catch a break soon, thanks. I mean, a lot of it will sort itself out over time. Eventually our game will not be new, and there will not be a crazy buzz around it. Well, I wish there was a crazy buzz around it, but there won't be what little buzz we have around it. And then, I mean, I should be able to get my car fixed tomorrow. It's just, it broke down, and I'm like, okay, well, fucking, I could rush to the mechanic to get it in today, and they probably won't finish it today. And then the next day they're closed, which was today. So I'll just wait till Monday, fuck it. Want to hear about Goon's crazy new game? Y'all want to see the new game? You know what, actually, let's, I need more stuff before I can, like, actually make the end of game happen here. Oh, you're talking about Straylight. Boom. They all know what Straylight is. I never added the PlayStation Store. I should just change that to be the Link Pop. So we got like a Link Pop set up. Also, if y'all want some jams, okay, I know I'm incredibly biased, but I didn't write this music. Not Twitch TV, goddammit. Link Pop. Our soundtrack is on Spotify. And there's some bops in there. That's also in that Link Pop. I would actually go encourage y'all to check that out. I could be listening to that right now, I guess. But I've been hearing those songs for 5 years, so respectfully I will pass. Although, the biggest compliment I can give is I've been listening to those fucking songs for 5 years and I'm still not tired of them somehow, so... It's, pretty good. Boom. Why did I launch this? Anyway, this is the game. I can launch this in 2 windows, and I can play as, like, 2 separate people online. But yeah, as you can see, may or may not be inspired by a certain popular franchise, which is a little bit dead currently. I guess not really. The last game they came out with was like 2020, so it's not new, but actually, wait, hold up. Let me check here. Are there any new Bomberman games planned in the future? Straw. Yeah. Oh wow, look at that. There's a Bomberman game. Wait, there was one that came out last year that I never heard of, and also there's one planned for this year, which I am not excited for because it is a sequel to probably the worst Bomberman game I've played, Super Bomberman R. But yeah, 2020 was Super Bomberman R Online, which, even though it has the same branding and series, was a super cool game. It was like Battle Royale, old school Bomberman. I streamed that a couple times. It was very fun. I believe it's shut down now. Well, okay. The part where you can do like Battle Royale with strangers is shut down, but you can still play with your friends if you like just want to do old school Bomberman stuff, which is still cool, but not as cool as just online matchmaking and stuff. That could be wrong. That could just be completely shut down for all I know. But hold on, let me see what this other game... There's a game called Amazing Bomberman. I've never heard of this. Came out last year. Can I please search your store? Don't show me Bethesda. I don't even know why I'm on Bethesda's page in Steam. Okay, it's not on Steam. Where can I find... It's not even a Wikipedia link. I'm not convinced this game exists, chat. Then again, there's no link for Super Bomberman R Online, so... What do I know? Okay, on Konami's official website, they have a page for it. Oh, it's an iPhone game. Seemingly only iPhone. You know, I respect the hustle. They're clearly trying to chase some trends, but like... They have a formula from like 1980, because this is like the old top-down 2D style. And they're trying to make that work with like modern mobile monetization like business models, and I do not see that happening. I guess that's why Super Bomberman R eventually got shut down. I think it got shut down. I don't know, maybe it hasn't happened yet. Sorry, I'm going off on a tangent here. Let's make the game. Let's continue making this game. Pardon me. So what we need in the game screen, I think I can just do one of these, and then if I send a signal out to all the players, they should be able to like know, oh, I'll bring the screen up, like we're done, the game ended. Because I can use like send RPC call, or actually the way I just wrote the script that I was writing, that will trigger on everyone's machine locally, so I can just handle it client side that way. Yeah, let's keep it simple. We'll do that. Anyway, make ourselves a canvas here. We'll call it game end screen. Very original, I know. Robert Paul Champagne. Oh, you know what, actually, hold up. Sorry, I never explained what the fuck I'm doing right now. If anyone's curious, well, I guess you kind of saw what the game looks like, but yeah, so I'm trying to make sort of an online multiplayer Bomberman game, but in the old, not the old, but the newer old 3D style from like the 90s, I guess. Well, that's not even accurate either. From the N64 era. Actually, you know what? I don't care. Forget this I am alive. In fact, get rid of this too. None of this. Oh, the good ones, nice. Thank you, ZD. I don't know how many people feel that way. I know, so going back to the soundtrack for my game, my musician on Straylight, he's also a pretty big Bomberman fan, but he loves the top-down old ones. He doesn't fuck with the 3D ones. Fuck that, get rid of all that. Yeah. I do need a different method though. We need to get our name. This might be a janky way to do this. No, that's not what I want. I need to Google this. Get player name. Or, I don't know, yeah, I want to get the name. PhotonNetwork.player.nickname. Wait, hold on. Aha! Aha! Ha ha ha! This is what I actually wanted. Oh, .owner.nickname. Okay. Cool. Holy shit. Okay, so now we'll have the last person alive. And then we need a reference to the canvas. So we turn the canvas on. No, before we turn the canvas on, we need a reference to the canvas and we need a reference to the text box that we're going to change the text of. And then we'll need a button, which we won't need a reference to that, but we'll just need a button. Yeah. Cool. Add some text there. I'm on the wrong side of this, apparently. Why doesn't it like that? What am I changing right here? Fuck. Oh, don't say that. I have Corsair RAM in both this computer and that one. Damn, that sucks. Huh? Apparently not. Ah, shit. Well, at least I don't have fancy Corsair RAM. How do I set this stupid thing's width? Oh, like that. Okay. Boom. Well, what I really want is 0, 0, and then center the text using the text thing. And then maybe make this bigger. Yes, just center it all around. Vertically and horizontally. Probably put a shadow behind this as well, so you can fucking read it. Let's do that. Fuck, not again. Okay, so we want it like that. Needs to be. But... God, why do I always do the exact same thing and I don't remember how this works? There's a setting somewhere I need to do. Or maybe this just works and I'm like wrong, I don't know. I cannot tighten up the graphics on level 3, for we only have one actual level, Epio. Come on, take this seriously. That seems good to me. And then we need a button. Gotta hate doing UI stuff in general. Unity is certainly no exception to that. Me too, lol. Yeah, it's it is an art, for sure. An art that I am not good at. Oh right, it's a sub-object here. Yeah, I guess technically the way you'd want to do this is go back to the lobby, but I'm gonna like kick you all the way back. Because that's all one scene, so I need to like maintain state in some way to make that happen. I think I might actually be able to give this a background. That would just fix my problem, actually. Somewhere in here. Underlay? No. Give a little bit of an outline. Why not? Maybe I just need to tweak the settings here. Is there something that will explain to me what the fuck an underlay is? Because I don't know if this is what I need or not. I don't know. Okay, well... Whatever. we'll do that, I guess. We need references to these things, though. Okay. There's only the player manager, not the game manager, so we are going to do this. Wait, I don't need the button. I need the, canvas, yeah. Let's put those in the other order. Oh no! Wait. Those don't exist because we create them per player. Damn it. Crap. How do I do this then? I guess what we do is we have this enabled, and then we can find it. Can find both of these. I need to like tag this basically so I can get the right one. This is gonna be jank. Wait, I don't need anything in the script. I guess since we're opening it, I'll delete the stuff that we don't need. But, cool, and then we attach that to this. And then we'll have to, like, search for these in our init. Game over canvas equals find object of type canvas. I guess there should only be one of those. If we make more than one of them, I'll have to, like, make another tag for that one. Winning player display equals find object of type winning player toolbox dot get component tmp text. I don't know if I need to do game object dot get component. Couldn't hurt, I guess. And then if game over canvas is not null, set active, or wait, game object that's set active to false. Cool. So now down here, if players remaining is less than or equal to 1, just in case they destroyed each other at the same moment there, end game. Or end match, I guess. Need to check if winning player is not empty, or if they are null or empty, then we just say draw, otherwise we say whatever your player name was wins. I don't know why I'm null checking all these. Load up end the match. What did I call this? Oh, game over canvas. It's probably gonna cause issues later if I don't find these. And we turn the UI on, and we're good to go. One more thing. We don't want to do this every single frame that the match is over, so... ignore this if the match already ended. And then just for an extra set of checks here, let's throw it in here. In case that somehow comes into play from us calling this somewhere else, I don't know. You know what, actually? Let's genericify this a bit. This way we can have, like, server error or other things passed into here. Oh, actually, let's go ahead and get that out of here as well. Let's pass it down into here. Cool. And then we need to go signal to all the players that the game ended so they can't keep processing input. Yeah, seems good. So, I guess just multiple conditions here. If the match ended, or if you're dead, or if any of that stuff. Oh wait, no, actually, just those two. We need to, like, prioritize a thing here. Wait, add that backwards. I guess we don't really need to prioritize this up here, because realistically, we'll probably have, like, a button to handle this elsewhere. But that's okay, whatever. I don't think just randomly pressing escape should just launch you out of the match. Plus, that code really shouldn't be on, like, the player itself anyway. Cool, whatever. So they still have it out even after the match ends, I guess. So we've already narrowed this down to if this is me. Slight problem here. Ah, damn it. I guess local to each client, they'll be paying attention to whether or not each player died. That kind of sucks. Like, we kind of need to get rid of this. Whatever. I'm like over-optimizing here, but I was like, so the way this will work now is this on collision will only get processed client-side, so if there's somehow a discrepancy between the server and the client, like if there's some lag or whatever, of where people are when an explosion happens, the game, like, each person wouldn't acknowledge that the game is over until their local version noticed that everyone's been hit except them, or except whatever one's, except for one person, or zero. And the problem with that is the references that we're carrying and checking whether or not they're dead is not... It doesn't tell us... Like, when I set dead, that's just happening client side. But I need to do that on everyone's client side whenever this event happens over here. Yeah. Also, I guess I can probably... If we're dead, we can just skip this. That's kind of wacky, but I guess whatever. Might leave that debug in for later. But... I need to find which part of me to delete here. Oh, I need to go into prefabs, or I guess resources? Yeah, that's where they're at. Oh, don't tell... No, your mesh is there? Why? Damn it. Okay, well, we need to move the player model, because we need to turn off the player model, basically. But leave everything else there, because it still needs to process everything else happening. Yeah. Alright, so that's all happy now, but we need to move this around. So the capsule collider will still remain, that's fine. We're just gonna take the mesh off of this and move it to a sub-object, basically. Actually... Oh. Add a capsule. No, wait, no, fuck this. It'll be way easier to add a body later if I do it this way. Or I guess let's call it model. I don't know why I called it body. In fact, I kind of regret. Yeah, you know what? Before we said all that. Cool. And now, down here, the player model will be this, and we're good. Well, not quite. I need to... yeah, how about this? How about, fuck... While we're at it, let's make this not just a default-looking capsule here. Remove the mesh renderer. Keep that. Mesh filter can go away as well, and this material can also... Oh, it went away. Okay, good. All this stuff needs to stay. That's good. The capsule collider should be on this layer. Then... just make a silly little thing. Eventually I'll just replace this with like an actual proper mesh, but for now, this'll work. Oh, these all don't need to have colliders at all. I need to fix that in a second here. Because the capsule collider will take care of all collision stuff. You just need to be present, I guess. Oh wait, that one... Perfect. Totally not copyright infringement. Get the colliders off of this bad boy, and I think we're good to go at that point. Dope. Okay, so now when you get hit with an explosion, you should die, I guess, and then there's only one player left. It should show the player wins, but only if you have more than one person in there, so I can still test it without launching 2 copies of everything. Where are my scenes at? Let's make sure everything's still working. I feel like this is gonna go horribly awry for one reason or another, but hey, whatever. Well, that part's not attached to me. That's the problem. Although, part of it is... Oh, it's just like way too high. Wait, what the fuck? What's going on with you? Where is everything? You. Oh! Okay. So I can see that in first person. Okay, that's silly. So it's not that I'm inside. So my camera's inside the capsule. Excellent. Anyway, let's blow ourselves up. Cool. I can't move my camera now. My whole body's gone. Can't move myself, but I can exit. What are you? What are you? Set properties not called because client's not connected or not ready yet. Client state leaving. Interesting. Well, that'll be something to mull over, I guess. But one more thing I want to do before we test this with actual multiple people here. I'm going to go ahead and go back into the game menu here and get that UI pulled up. Oh, that's why my camera was in a super bad place. It's because I was working on the UI and I'm like out in no man's land. Okay, well that's fine. I know that works. But, or well, I guess I don't know it works, but hopefully it'll work. We need an on-click event, basically. But what should it do? I think I don't need a photon view for this because this will just be like ourself. And I just need to call the same thing I've been calling over here. Of like load level, yeah. Go back to main menu. Yeah. Match and menu. We'll call it that. I'm going to put it on the canvas. I think this needs to be public. Maybe I'm wrong. Good enough. enough for me. Oh. Now we just need to add this script here. Maybe I should make this into a prefab. I don't know. I think we only need one screen though, so that's probably okay to leave as is. Cool. Okay, let's build her up. Good. That's what I meant to do. Go. Okay, start the game. Please and thank you. Okay. Here's this man. Heal. Did not finish. Okay, I think my suspicions are probably right about the game manager here. Room manager, player manager. So if this runs before all the players are present in the scene, we're only going to find ourselves as an instance. And I think that's pretty highly likely. Yep, that's what happened. Damn it. Well, darn. Is there some kind of, I guess the likelihood that these scripts would all be active would be better than this. I don't know how long like Photon Network.instantiate takes to call. But we must be calling this on this script as well, right? I don't care about your code. Look at mine. Yeah, so that's the first thing that we do. Okay. Gotcha. I guess what we want to do... There's got to be a way to find out how many players are in the room, right? So we have the view. Yeah, we have the view. I'm just gonna Google this. Photon Unity get number of players in room. Thank you. Photon forum post. Ah, okay. It's Photon Network current room player count. No, wait, what? Players? What is... what? Oh, okay. So it just does... Alright, that's fine, I guess, whatever. Why is that? Okay, it's fine. This might lag on initialization, but that's probably okay. Let's fucking make it an int. Let's make things less annoying. Don't care about the extra memory taken up. Okay. So if players found dot length it's not equal number of players return, but if it does, then just set it to that. I think that's all we gotta do. It might be a bit thrashy, but that's okay. It's during like load up anyway, so that's, I guess, fine. Okay, that's just us. We're still good. Game doesn't really do anything if we blow up, I think. Cool. But we got 2 players. Hopefully now this will actually work properly. I guess I didn't really need this other client to be up to date with that code I just wrote, but that's okay. Goon. You know what? That's a little thing that's... Oh wait, no, don't create room. Fair enough. Just want to find a room. Draw! Wait. Did I do a dumb? Didn't draw over here. Oh wait, I let you join the room after it already starts. That I fucked up. Hold on. So I guess I do need to handle that, but regardless, oh, that really fucked things up. Okay, well, don't do that. Before we go debug that a little deeper here, actually wait, no, I probably should just do this right. Oh, no. Damn it. Make sure you're not dead. Oh my god. Is alive is not dead. I knew somewhere I had my logic reversed, but I wasn't sure where. Okay, I think we're good now, except that return to room button maybe doesn't work, but let's find out. Oh, I don't have you leave the room proper. Okay, so that's actually a big problem. I need to fix that. That's okay. That's just one more line of code, so it's whatever. Bomb you. Goon wins. Goon wins. Let's go, baby. Oh, what happens if I do this? Hold on. Forgot to turn this back on. No, it fucking like censors it. Why? Why is it not behind the thing? Yeah, then this is all fucked because I'm still in the room. What does that do on this end? Return to men. What the fuck? Anyway. Oh wait, also it thinks that I... What the fuck? Got it to boot with 6 dot. Oh nice, good stuff. Oh, it might be because I left. But no, I was still in the room though. It might have the wrong thing attached to the wrong person. I don't really know. Oh. Oh, interesting. That would do it. Alright, we'll debug that other thing in a minute. That might be getting... Oh, fuck. Yeah, maybe that's no good. Maybe I need to, like, do something else to track the players than what I'm doing. But I need to know that, like, is dead thing. This might be our, like, our main issue here. so that should actually properly leave. Sticking a pin in that for now. We will figure out why that's happening in a moment. As for now, here, look at some code. And enjoy the jams. I will be back in but a moment. There go. How we doing on soundtrack length? Oh, we got another 30 minutes. Okay. I'm hoping we figure this out by then. Oh, actually, you know what? What we want to do... Let me just double check and make sure that that's actually what was happening. Temperature in my stream room is ridiculous. One minute I'm like sweating from how hot it is with my hoodie, the other minute it's freezing. what I would like to do, hopefully we get this figured out in like a quick minute here, but what I would like to do if we finish that is fix it so you don't need to click the stupid update button to actually change your username on the title screen. That shouldn't take too long to figure out. Famous last words. Okay, I'm not leaving the room. We're gonna kill him, and then check his window and see if it thinks that he won. Okay, no, it knows. I don't know what the hell was up with the button on this screen. It's pretty odd, but I'm gonna chalk that up to the random build and run. But yeah, when I leave, then it fucks up, is what it looks like. No, it still knows. Okay, I don't know. It knows. So yeah, everything's fine. Let's fix that name. And actually, at that point, I think I might switch gears to something else. Well, let me see. Can I start another room, or is it like fuck everything up? It resets my name too. Oops. So it seems to still be working. Yeah, it throws that error every time, but it doesn't seem to be breaking anything, so I guess I'm okay with it. Maybe I should make the name persist too while we're at it. This is such a dumb thing to be working on, like, in the grand scheme. Like, this was... We just got through the meat of it. Like, that's the workflow I wanted to set up of, like, here's the logic for the end of the game, how to manage that with the multiplayer code and everything. So I'm satisfied, but I do want to improve this if I can. Alright, all the canvases are invisible by default. Title menu, I think is the name of it. Yeah. Okay. Username. Username input specifically. There has to be an event. Yeah, on value change. Why the fuck did I not use that? Okay, so update button. It takes... Where are you? What are you? Oh, the canvas, okay. Let's take the canvas, update the fucking string. Simple as that. On change username, yeah. Jesus. Can't find it. Where the hell is it? Broadcast message. What in the fuck? Oh, launcher. Wait, what? Did I grab the right thing? Oh. There we go. So on changed username. There we go. Boom. And then fuck this. I'm gonna confidently get rid of that. You fill yourself out. It's still clear enough that that's a separate button, right? Hope. Yeah, that should be good. Dude, I'm so happy. It's good stuff, man. Glad your PC is working and fully up to, You know what, maybe... let's put another field in there just so it's a little clear that that's not just a button, I guess. Oh, not the right, we want the left. If anyone knows what that's from, big kudos to you. But that game's 10 million years old, so no one will fucking know. And it's really obscure, too. Actually, if Felize's here, he'd fucking know, but he doesn't watch my streams. Ripperoni. Okay, so have you stretch both ways. Left 0. Username. You'll make this a little fancy. Like, put it at 180. Oh, wait. Put it at 100? I don't... Put it at 80. How's this growing? Oh, right. No, the more it goes in. Yeah, okay. Userman. I guess maybe if you Googled Tony Swan, you might be able to find it, so I will... Now that it's been 3 seconds long, I will no longer accept anyone's input as to what that's from. But if you knew, you'd a real MVP. Twitch chatter or YouTube watcher. Let me see if I can find this. Oh, there's a guy named Tony Swan. Alright, never mind, you'll never fucking find it. Get fucked. Yeah, there's both a professional race car driver as well as an actor named Tony Swan, so you're never gonna fucking find it. GG's. Did I just globally put an outline on everything forever by putting an outline on that one? It's weird. Whatever. I'm cool with it. I won't say on stream what it is. Oh yeah, it did. What? Why is that global? What the fuck? Alright. Dial back the outline, that looks horrible. But just put a little outline, that'll be okay. I don't know why that applies to... Oh, because it's this material. Oh my god. It's because... Okay, I didn't even realize that, but this material is a font. Or... It's a font with settings on top of it, and that's what's being applied to all the text. Yeah, I know, it's, it's not ideal. Alright. I think I fixed it, but let's just prove that I fixed it, because why not? I used to use the username Tony Suave for, like, a million years. It's because of the other thing. Okay, good. That works. I want to try it a little bit more than that. Like, what if I just instantly... Yep, it works. Okay. What the fuck happened? Where... Why didn't I spawn in? It's interesting. Oh, also, I need to make it not reset your name. I guess the best way to do that is to, like, save it to a save file. I don't know. I guess we can do that. That's fine, I suppose. Wait, player wins. What? Okay. What is happening now? Oh, right. I was like, what is happening? I forgot about the end of this game. This is the Mystical Ninja soundtrack, by the way. It's a fantastic game, by the way. If you've never played it, highly recommend. It's like it's broken locally. Wait, okay, I'm gonna build twice here. Or not locally, I mean, like, in the non-built version, it seems like it's broken. Classic, I thought I was almost done, and then something breaks. It's seemingly completely unrelated to what I was changing, of course. Yeah, this works fucking perfectly fine when you're, like, here. It's like the editor version's broken. Oh my god, I know why. It's because we're starting from the main menu. Perfect. And I can prove it, too. Oh, wait, shit, also, hold up. This shouldn't be visible. I guess it doesn't matter because that's the first thing that shows up anyway, but it definitely shouldn't be visible. Since I'm hitting run scene from main menu and we need to do it from here. That's actually kind of why I set it up to, I can't build while I'm running. That's kind of why I set it up so that this is a different background color. Yeah, pretty much. I see... I see you too have worked a real software job. Where you have to touch software that's not new. Alright. See here? Did we both spawn in? We did, okay. Yeah, it's because the underlying room manager didn't get created on the local because I was spawning into the one room. It's funny that the rest of that still works though because the photon code is still running and it syncs everything up for you. Whoa! You definitely should be able to skee-ball each other with bombs. That's a problem, but I'm not fixing that tonight. I think next stream we'll work more on, boom. We'll work more on, the, workflow for handling, like, gameplay better. But I think that'll pretty much do it. Those are all the things I had on my list for tonight. I thought it would take me way longer to get through it, though. I know, well, I was actually kind of pleasantly surprised, because when I launched the code, like, the project to make sure it worked on this PC before stream, I started playing it, and I'm like, oh, fuck, that's right, I already built breakable blocks, I already have, like, code for handling when an explosion hits you, so I had to figure out how to sync that up and, like, make rules for when the game's over. So that's pretty dope. I got further than I remembered, I guess, is the long story there. But yeah, I think, yeah, we didn't even finish one soundtrack. We're pretty close to the end of the soundtrack, though. Yeah, so that's what's on the horizon next time I stream this, which I think I want to keep hacking away at this thing. There's nothing here yet, but I feel some potential. I'm very nostalgic for the old N64 Bomberman games, and making something that's even, like, mildly related to it, I'm kind of excited. Especially with, like, modern online capabilities. Yeah. It's like this top-down, but first-person. That's kind of the view I'm going for. And if you guys remember, this is a different project, but I'm going to open it up while we're closing things out here. Yeah, just close this guy. Boop. You didn't see that. You didn't see that folder. You didn't see my... my desktop looks funny now. Where is this? The level editor that I messed with a couple of streams ago? These aren't connected yet, but they will be. Without too much trouble, actually. But we just have one level scene right now. I'll have some, like, presets that I will also use these tools to make, by the way. And then those will basically just be... like, there'll just be a scene, and we load in the details for the scene, including, like, background and everything, based on what is saved in these level editor, like, levels. And then that'll be just open to the players. So, like, you'll be able to go in and just, like, make some levels, and then whoever's hosting can pick a level they made, or whatever. Wait, how do I, change blocks? Oh, left and right. So you can go in and make... you know, a level, and then you'll just be able to play it in that game. And there'll be more blocks than what we have right now, but you can put like breakable blocks down, unbreakable stuff. Might streamline some of this tooling so it's a little friendlier, so you don't need to like manually go make the borders for your level. Or maybe you do want that, I don't know. Maybe it'll be like a preset, like where you could just start with this or whatever. Kind of how like Mario Maker does it, where like when you launch the game, it has a level. But I don't think most people that have like good levels in Mario Maker use that, but it's still like handy in that you have like a base work to work off of, especially if you're just starting the game. Plus that game, you know, at the end of the day is made for kids, so it's whatever. But yeah, that's oh, sorry, I have misled you. It is not going to be first person in the long term. I just basically put together like the easiest thing you can do in 3D is like make a first person engine, more or less. I'm gonna make it third person. Yeah. So just literally just think of like Bomberman 64. It would. Oh no, think of Bomberman Hero, because I kind of want to leave jumping around and like a small element of platforming. Yeah, no, I do too. Actually, I wouldn't say I prefer third person over first person, but for an idea like this, I don't think it works as well in first person. But yeah, that's sort of what's on the horizon. We're gonna do a lot of stuff around actual gameplay next time. Well, I guess this is around gameplay because it's the game flow. Eventually, we need to connect this code to the other code. I don't know exactly when I'll do that, but yeah. Oh, I added controller support to this, by the way. Also, stream's not over. We're not, like, ending early or anything. I added controller support with a million asterisks around that statement. As you can see, it's got a little bit of work to do on the cooldown from reading inputs. This is actually using the modern input system, which I forget where that is. Oh, nice. Here's the credits music. Where is this window? Oh, it's under projects, right? Yeah. Or the player settings, I mean. Oh, wait, no, I'm wrong. This thing. No, not this either. Oh, right, it's an actual, like, asset. I forgot. But yeah, we got this thing, so it's like, it's parsing inputs using these profiles, and we can like switch between them in real time if we wanted to. Like with code. This thing is super cool. This is the future of input processing, by the way. Unless you're in VR, which there is a future of that too, it's just you don't use that system. Straylight does not use that, unfortunately. Straylight's on some very old code for parsing VR input. But it works. We're using like an open VR toolkit, except on systems that don't support it. Then there's just manual alternate code that's running using like compiler flags. And guess who was in charge of that part of the code? All right, but yeah, that'll do it for this. We're calling it Goon Blast for now. But VOD friends, catch you later. We are definitely not done with this project. I want to build this out a bit more. Ideally I want to build like a co-op mode, and I made a comment in there for it. Literally over here, the player the player manager. Like, hey, account for modes that aren't just versus. Or it's up here. That'd be super cool. Test your games. Fuck yeah, dude. Would be cool. Eventually, so I can actually like just flip a flag and then it'll use like Steam auth to like log you in basically, and like I need to add like a screen for it, but beyond that, like it's pretty much automatic. There's other options aside from just Steam, but that would be ideal, I think. And that way we can have some validation, so there's not just like people executing arbitrary code to play online with you and doing weird shit. Especially since we're gonna send data across the pipe with the level editor files. yeah, exactly, right? Steam is by far the easiest. Having now released a game on 3 different stores, I can say Steam was the easiest to deal with by a country mile. Not to say it was perfect, but and it's not really a dig at the other stores either. It's just it's complicated for other reasons. Honestly, Meta was both pretty clean and also awful. Like there's weird peaks and valleys when dealing with them. And then I literally contractually can't even really tell you too much about PlayStation. But Not the worst experience in my life, honestly. I've had shittier experiences in coding outside of that. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this segment of the stream. We're gonna switch gears. Thanks for all y'all that popped in for programming. I understand if you're gonna drop, no worries. I'll be back at this next week, or sorry, next Sunday. We'll continue this project. And yeah, let's play a different game now. Or let's play a game now, not play a different game.